Testing, testing. Cool. Hanger on Southland dump trailer broke. Let's fix it. 13/16 for the shackle bolt head and 7/8 for the nut. That is off, that is off. Bushing looks okay. Get the axle out of the way and let's get this material off. Looks like the material failed. It just went right around the weld, just right at the edge of the weld, just broke off. So we'll fix it, we'll beef it up, maybe put a piece of 1/4 inch like that to hold this outside edge. I think it probably failed on this outside edge and then broke everything else. Generator's on. Hanger's off, let's clean her up. Inside to outside, 29 and 5/8. 29, 5/8. Inside edge is marked for the inside of the hanger. Double check measurement, outside, inside, 29 and 5/8. Perfect. All right, easiest way that I've found to line these up is to put the hanger on the end of the spring, put a nut on the back, get the axle back up to where I can jack it up. Hanger is on, matching the other hanger. I need to knock it back about 1/4 inch. Oh, that was easy. Outside, inside, 29 and 5/8. I did all that and I forgot to sand the top of this to get all the mill scale off of it. Now it's clean. Outside, inside, 29 and 5/8. Perfect. Oh, I love you guys so much. Keep resting. Just about to weld. Love you guys. Bye. Let's tack on the hanger. Outside and the sides are welded. I'm going to weld that 1/4 inch cap and then do the inside. There we go, nice and beveled. There's everything welded. I'm gonna paint it black. New hanger's on, 7/8 for the nut, 13/16 for the outside. Perfect, bolt is tight, everything is on. Oh, come on. There we go. And torque and lug nuts. Lug nuts torqued. Hanger's done. I wonder why it broke. All welded up, all painted out. He's good to go. He can do bigger loads. I reinforced it on the outside so it shouldn't blow on the outside.